Class 2, Subject Max, Chapter 5. Name of chapter: Patterns. Here, first we will see what is a pattern. Pattern is a repeated design. We repeat each design to make a model or pattern. There are different types of patterns: number patterns, alphabetic patterns, shape patterns. So here you can make patterns with leaves, matchsticks, arrows. There are different types of patterns. So we use patterns in our day-to-day life, like making rangoli, saris, dress, clothes. We see patterns in many forms. Let's start. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the payment. The tiles used were of different colors and design. This is what they saw. You can see in the picture there are two girls. Among them, one name is Binny, other girl name is Ginny. They both were going home. While going home, they saw some people making payment. So this is a payment. It means they use different tiles with different colors and design to make a payment. You can see in the picture. Next. On reaching home, they saw their mother's saree hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. See students, in this you can see your dress, mother's saree, exploring the patterns in that. In this saree you can see some patterns like leaves or dots in red color, yellow color dots are given, and leaves in green. You can see in the picture. Next. In the evening they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. Looking at the grills, Binny said, "These same grills make a different pattern in our windows at home." So here you can see in the picture, here in a boundary, in evening time, Binny and Ginny, they both were playing in a park. They saw iron grill on the boundary wall. So in the picture you can see on the boundary wall of the park, with the help of iron grill, a pattern is made. So pattern is like this. So like this it is made. So looking at the grill, Binny said, "Same grill makes a different patterns in our window at home." You can see here the picture of window is given. Binny's house window is given. So same, the pattern I had drawn here, with the same pattern they had drawn different design. Same is arranged in different way to make a window at home. You can try and make a different patterns of same design. So next, we see many such patterns around us on tiles, clothes, duris. Bolu's rat has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in making which piece of same pattern. Whenever pattern question is asked, first observe the given pattern, then start to explore the next pattern. See, first observe the given pattern. In the given pattern, 4 diamonds arranged in diamond shaped. Which is the pattern that match here? First one will match? No. Second one? No. Third one? No. Yes, fourth one will match. So I had drawn a square around fourth picture. Next, there is a same pattern. Okay, next. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using symbols. So here symbols are given. Can you guess which of this cannot be formed with this? Here among this symbol, which cannot be formed? a gate. So here first one will formed. Okay, second one will also formed. Fourth one, no, this will not form. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using symbol. Here symbol are given. Can you guess which of this cannot be formed with this? Here some symbols are given. Among this, which cannot be formed? Here first one will formed. Second one will always also formed. Third one, no, it will not form. Fourth one, no, this will also not form. Fifth one, yes, this will formed. So here the question is cannot be formed. So third and fourth cannot be formed. Next, fill up the blanks boxes to complete the pattern. Before filling the colors, first observe the pattern. See, in first line, in first box, pink color. In second box, yellow. Again pink, yellow. So pattern goes on. Same pattern will repeat in third line. Pink, yellow, pink. So pink after which color will come? Yellow. Yellow after again pink, yellow and pinks. In second line, first box, here part is done. In half part we will put orange color. In next half part there is a green colors. Okay, so same pattern will follow in fourth line. Here orange, green, green, orange. So again orange, green. So again draw a pattern. Here first do a half line in the box. Here green, orange. Okay, next orange, green, next green, orange, next orange, green. In last again pink color is given, so next color will be yellow. Same of first line, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Next leafy patterns. Use one leaf, we can make a different patterns. See this 5 leaves patterns. Here some leaves patterns are given. First we observe it. Okay, in first they have arranged up the leaf upward, downward, upway and downway, upway. Okay, next one leaf is in upway, another leaf is in sideway, up, sideway, upway. Okay, in third it is arranged in diagonally way. Okay, see here diagonally, and here see it means like this, another like this, crossway. Okay, next in fourth it is arranged in horizontally way. Okay, this one is arranged in horizontal way. In fifth, like a V, you can see like this, upway V and invertly way. Okay, upway like this. Okay, next look at the picture and fill up the box. First look at the patterns and fill up the box. Okay students, in first observe the pattern. Let's start. Circle, square, circle, square. So after square, yes, draw a circle. Circle after square, again circle, then square. So fill on circle red color. Okay, on square green color. Next arrows, all are in upway. Okay, so here also we will draw upway. Next here dots are given. In first box 1 dot, in second box 2 dots, in third box 3 dots. Again 1 is repeat. So after 1 how many dots will come? Yes, 2 dots. 1 2. After 2, 1 2 3. So after 3 again put a 1 dots. Again 2 dots. Next, arrows are given up way and down way. Okay, 2 arrows are in up way, another 2 in down way. Third one, in third box it is up way, in fourth box down way. So in fifth box it will be up way. Next, down way. Next, up way. Next, down way. In next, triangles and 2 dots are given. In first box triangles are in down ways, okay, invertedly. In second, 2 dots, again triangles is in up way. Next, 2 dots. So after that, one triangle is in up way, so another triangle will be in down way. Next, again 2 dots. Draw triangle up way. Then 2 dots. Okay, next, here squares are given. Observe it properly. In first box, brown color square. In second, there is a partition. One color is orange, another is brown. Again brown color. Again there is a partition. So after partitions, draw here square and do a color of brown. Okay, brown color. Next, draw partitions. Put a color of orange and brown. Again whole square. Again do a partition, do a color of orange and brown. Okay, next, there are semicircle. Last, there are some semicircles. Okay, so in first picture you can see in semicircles, in up way, another down way, up way and down way. Okay, so next will be again up way, then down way, up way and down way. Next, numbers patterns. Let us look at some patterns with the numbers. Fill the numbers in the blank space of each patterns. First we have to observe the number. Okay, let's start. 1 3 5 7. Here we have to write the missing numbers. Okay, 1 and 3. So 1 after which number is missing here? 2. 3 after which number is missing? 4. 5 after which number is missing? 6. Okay, so here we have to leave a 1 number. Okay, 7 after we will leave 1 number, 8. So we will write here 9. After 8 which number will come? 9. Okay students, here we have to leave 1 number and we have to write a answer. Next, on a track, first number 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 2 after 3 is given. Okay, after 7 it is directly, there is no number missing. Okay, so 70 after it will come 80, 80. Next, 24, 27, 30, 30, 33, 36. Okay, here 24, after 24 directly 27 came. So how many numbers are missing here? 25 and 26. So here 2 numbers are missing. Okay, so here we have to leave 2 numbers. Last number is 36. So after 36, leave 37, 38. So leave these 2 numbers. After that, 39, 39. Next, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here after 30, which number will come? Yes, 35. So write here 35. 40 40. After 40 which number will come? Yes, 4 5 45. 50 50. After 50 which number will come? 5 5 55. Here we have to leave 4 numbers. Okay. Next. T2 frog jumps over 2 numbers and reach third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. Here a T2 frog reached on third number. From third he reached on 6. So he left 2 numbers. So we will leave 2 numbers and make a circle. First make a circle. After 6 leave 2 numbers 7 and 8 and make a circle on third number. It means 9. 10 and 11 leave it, then 12. 13 14 leave it, then 15. 16 17 leave it. 1 8 18. 19 20 leave it. 21. 22 23 leave it. 24. So now draw a ring. Continue from 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 18 to 21, 21 to 24. Next, T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. Here first number is missing, 28 given. So before 28 we have to less 10 numbers. So 28 minus 10 it gives 1 8 18. So 28 after 38. After 38 plus 10 it gives 48. 48 plus 10 it gives 58. 58 plus 10 it gives 68. 68 plus 10 it gives 78. Next, read and write what comes next. Let's start. First one, AA, BB, CC. So after that which will come? DD, DD, E, E, F, F, G, H. Next, AB, CD, EF. So here AB, next after AB take two alphabets CD, EF. So after EF, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Next, DA by day, NIGHT night, DA by day. So day, night. So after day which will come? Night. Again day, night, day, night. Next, 1 2 1 2. So here first 1, then 2, again 1 2. So after 2 again 1, again 2, 1 2. Next, 87 88 89. Here 87 88 89. So after 89 which number will come? There is no number missing here. Okay, it goes on continuously. 90 90, 91 91, 92 92, 93 93, 94 94. Next, 20 30 40. Here also 2 3 4 is given. There is no number missing. Okay, it goes on. After 40, 50 50, 60 60, 70 70, 80 80, 90 90. Next, 19 29 39. Here 10 numbers are increased. Okay, 39 plus 10 it gives 49. 49 plus 10 59 59. Again plus 10 69 69. Again plus 10 79 79. Again plus 10 89 89 89. Next 2, 5, 8. 2 and 5. Here 3 and 4. Both two numbers are missing. So 5 and 8, 6 and 7 numbers are missing. So we have to leave two numbers and goes on writing 8. So leave two number 9 and 10. So write here 1, 1, 11. Next again leave two number 12 and 13. Leave it and write here 1, 4, 14. Next leave 15 and 16. Write here 1, 7, 17. Leave 18 and 19. Write here 2, 0, 20. Leave 21, 22. Write here next number 23. Next 15, 20, 25. 15 and 20. Here we have to, there is 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 numbers are missing. So here we have to leave 4 numbers and write next number. 25, we will leave 26, 27, 28, 29. Next number will be 30, 30. So again 30 after 35, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50. Next 18, 21, 24. Here 18 and 21. Let us see how many numbers are missing. Count after 18. 19, 20. Okay, yes, here 2 numbers are missing. Check another number also after 21, 22, 23. Yes, here also 2 numbers. So we have to leave two numbers. 24 after leave 25, 26 and write here 27. Leave 28, 29. Write here 30, 30. Leave 31, 32. Write here 33, 33. Leave 40, 34, 35. Write here 36. Leave 37, 38. Write here 39. Next number, okay. Next 52, 54, 56. 52 and 54. Yes, 53 number is missing. So here one number is missing. 54, 56. Yes, 55 is missing. So here we have to leave one number. After 56, leave 57. Then write here 58. Leave 59. Write here 60, 60. Leave 61. Write here 62, 62. Leave 63. Write here 64, 64. Leave 65. Write here 66, 66. Next 5P, 6Q, 7R. Here numbers and alphabet both are given. See the number 5, 6, 7. Yeah, yes. Here we have to leave no numbers. Okay, we have to write directly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and here alphabets are given P, Q, R. Yes, goes on P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Okay, so 5P, 6Q, 7R. So after 7 write here 8. After R which alphabet come? S. 8S. After 8 9. S after T. After 9 10, 10. T after U. After 10 11, 11. U after V. After 11 1 2 12. 12 after here V after W. Okay, next 85, 75, 65. Here numbers are decreasing way. Okay, $85, 75, 65. Here numbers are in decreasing way. Okay, 65 we will less 10 numbers. So it gives 55. Next 55 less 10, it gives 45. 45 less 10, 35. 35 less 10, 25. 25 less 10, 1 5 15. Next 55, 50, 45. Here also same, it goes on decreasing way. Okay, here we have to less 5 number because there are different of 5 numbers. So 45 less 5, it gives 40, 40. Again less 5, it gives 35. Less 5, it gives 30, 30. Less 5, it gives 25, 25. Less 5, it gives 20, 20. Next 20, 19, 18. Here also same, it goes on decreasing way. Okay, 20, 18, 90. Here no difference. After 18, less one number, so write here 17. 17 after 16, it means it before number, okay. 16 before number 15, 15 before 14, 14 before 13, okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, 40, 40, 38, 38, 36, 36. Here one numbers are missing, okay, in decreasing way. 36 we leave, 35 then we will write 34, leave 33 then write here 32, leave 31 then write here 30, leave 29 then write here 28, leave 27 then write here 26. Next, Kitu has made some patterns by collecting different leaves. A girl, Kitu, she collected different leaves and she made a patterns. You can see in the picture. In same way, you have to collect leaves and arrange in different patterns, or you can draw a patterns by using matchsticks. Okay. So here, in a blank picture, you have to draw different leaves and with different patterns, or you can draw with the matchsticks, okay. So see students, like this you can do. Next, matchsticks, with help of matchsticks you can also do, okay. Thank you.